My name is Anthony Wolf. I'm a mechanical engineering major. I've been at WVU for 3 years now. I'm a junior. I'll be a senior next year. I'm from Northern Virginia. I always tell people like 20 minutes south of DC is the easiest. I've always been like a car guy. My mom always tells people that I was a car guy from like birth, pretty much. So I've always kind of had a passion there. I didn't really discover it too much until I came to college and I found this. But I'd say back in high school I had a teacher that did automotive engineering, or technologies rather, and I learned a lot from them and I found them to be fairly influential. So I kind of always wanted to be like them, and they're always like the cool teachers. I want to say back when I was a freshman, I did Air Force ROTC for a year and then I decided not to. I was toured around through the engineering college through multiple clubs, and I saw the Formula Club, and I saw it in like YouTube videos or like online stuff. And I always thought it was pretty cool. I've always thought I was into racing. And after my freshman year when I got out of Air Force, I was like, maybe I should go do this. So I got my hands dirty a little bit, and it decided to be a lot of fun, so I took a lot of interest in it. We have a classroom in the engineering sciences building where we meet all the volunteers, and the people in like the capstone will come up, and the team lead and then our mentor will be up there, and we'll talk for like 30 minutes. And we'll do what we need to do for like the rest of the 3 or so hour block that we have 2 days a week. I do suspension. I design suspension in the fall, and then in the spring I've been kind of doing all over, mainly suspension still, but wherever needs building, wherever needs help, my hands are always useful. So I do a lot of work on like the lathe, the mill, a lot of hand tools obviously. I tried to learn some welding, but it's pretty hard. And then I mean just like wrenching, hammer, stuff like that, hand tools in general. Our goal is to create a race car. I mean, it's fully designed by us, it's fully fabricated by us, except for like the tires and the engine we buy. But otherwise it's fully designed and then fully fabricated car, and go racing in May. My favorite part would probably be just how much I take out of it and the fact that I'm building a race car. I think something I've learned and that I still need to learn is computer-aided design. It's pretty tough. We use Siemens NX, and I'd like to get better with it, but I think that was the most intimidating part coming into the club, is I didn't really know how to do it, but I've learned a lot. I'd say this club kind of perfectly represents what I need to be, or what I would like to be after I graduate. Very into motorsports, any kind of motorsports. So building and fabricating and designing a race car is ideally what I want to do. I'm probably not going to start there because it's a tough industry to get into, but hopefully somewhere in the automotive industry, just trying to get my hands in and my foot in the door, so I can build up to be maybe a motorsports engineer one day.